Hi and hello everyone. This is Preeta. We are seeing class 8, chapter 16, Introduction to Graph, and we are seeing the revision exercise. We are going to see the ninth sum. Plot the points. They have given the point A 0, 1, B 3, minus 5, C 2, 2, D minus 2, minus 2, E 4, minus 4, F 0, 2, G minus 3, 0 on a Cartesian plane. We have to graph these points on the Cartesian plane. When we take the first point A 0, 1, we always have to take the first point in the x-axis and the second point in the y-axis. So we have to see 0 in the x-axis. Since there is no value 0, we are going to take the y value next. Y is 1. So 1, we have to mark the point over here. So on the y-axis, this is point A 0, 1. Since x value is 0, we have plot the point A on the y-axis. Second point we have 3, minus 5. So in x-axis we have to take the point 3 and in y-axis we have to take the point as minus 5. So we have 3, minus 5 over here. So in y-axis we can take minus 5. So 3, minus 5 we are plotting the point B. Next C 2, 2. So x-axis 2 and then y-axis 2. So we have to plot the point C 2, 2. Point D minus 2, minus 2. So both comes in the third quadrant. So x-axis minus 2 and y-axis minus 2. 2 minus 2, minus 2 lies in the third quadrant. We can plot the point and name it as D. Next we have E 4, minus 4. So in x-axis we have 4 and in y-axis minus 4. So we can use our scale. So 4, minus 4. We can plot our point over here. Point E, which is 4, minus 4. Next we have 0, 2. So 0, x-axis 0 and y-axis 2. So the point lies on the y-axis. This is point F. Finally we have G minus 3, 0. So in x-axis minus 3. Since we don't have any y-axis 0, we have to plot the point on the x-axis. So this is point G. So we have plot the point A, B, C, D, E, F, G on the Cartesian plane. We will see the eighth sum. Plot the point A 3, 4, B 1, 0, C 0, 4 and D 4, 1 on the Cartesian plane. So we have drawn the Cartesian plane and write the coordinates of the point of intersection of the line segment AB and CD. So after plotting the 4 points, we have to draw the line AB and CD. We have to join the line. So now first we will take the point 3, 4. Always we have to plot the point x, y. So the first point on the x-axis and second point on the y-axis. So point 3. So x-axis 3 will be here and y-axis 4 will be on the upside. So 3, 4, we need to plot the point over here. So this is point A, which is 3, 4. Next we have point B, which is 1, 0. So in x-axis we have 1. Since we don't have any y-axis, we have to plot the point B on the x-axis because the y-axis we have 0. 1, 0 will be on the x-axis. Next the point C is 0, 4. So 0, 4, we can see x-axis we don't have any point and in y-axis we have 4, which means the point should lie on the y-axis. The point C should lie on the y-axis. So 0, 4. Finally we have 4, 1. So in x-axis we have to take 4 and in y-axis we have to take 1. So 4, 1, the point D lies over here 4, 1. The next, point of intersection. We need to write the coordinates of the point of intersection of the line segment. We now have to join AB and CD, and we have to find out the point of intersection. After plotting the point ABCD, we need to draw a line segment from A to B and then a line segment from C to D. The point of intersecting, we need to find out the point at which both the lines intersect. Now we will try to draw a line segment from A to B. So we can use a scale and join the 2 point A to B. So we have drawn a line segment from A to B. Next, we need to draw a line segment from C to D. So now we need to note the point of intersection. So we can see the point of intersection is 2, 2. Finally, we can conclude by saying that 2, 2 is the point of intersection of the line segment AB and CD. So when you exactly draw the graph, draw the Cartesian plane using the scale, the intersecting point may differ. I have roughly calculated the value. When you draw, the point may differ.